Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Confederation of Umtarnga Village Councils to fight against illegal registration of village council lands. SSA teachers expresses concern over non-payment of salary for January and February 2021. Spot inspection visit of the Committee on Women Empowerment of Women. And now the news in detail. The leaders of the Confederation of Umtarnga Village Councils today alleged that the traditional institution of Hima, Malim and Raj Marwet have illegally registered their land measuring 1200 acres to Delang Srip Lao to be leased out to Border Security Force. Speaking to the media at Shillong Press Club at Lower Lachumir in Shillong, the president of the Confederation, Marcus Lapasam, said large numbers of localities, including agricultural lands belonging to the different village councils, have been included in this alleged illegal land registration. These leaders also said that they will fight for their rights.
Katkum kakut kalapan skemba kide ki jakajung uchurup Delang Lao, ola Delang Chirup Lao. Henry kini ki jaka borokot ngania tu yapi kide ki Shillong. Kide ka jakarep jong ki Shillong. Te ngala mention ye ki Shillong hangne borokot shua ban wan ngala dapan kre. Kide ka Shillong Umtarnga Mauyong Barapatha Chibra Jos Im Jermang Gambalbari Gambalbari B Nagarbil Pilingku Pilingku B Umlatho Umsen Pongkersi Paham Jula Nong Spungbi Lalmati te barokot kini ki Shillong ki ha bapok ka khat 8,000 ekar te nalo nang ne susu ka jakarep jakariang jungi kidon para marjan Shillong kadon ka ki babun hi ka jakarep jung kidong Umtarnga barok kini ki Shillong kidon lo te sanang ta susu ya katakan nyo naka khat 8,000 ekar la propose pan nyo 1,000 sauspa khat lai ekar sikispai.
Today, the Meghalaya SSA Teachers Association expressed deep concern over the non-release of teachers' salary of 12,541 SSA teachers in the state for January and March for the current financial year 2020 to 2021. Speaking to the media, one of the leaders of the association said that his organization has come to know from reliable sources that the government of India has released this amount of money for the SSA teachers, but sadly, till date, this amount is lying with the State Finance Department.
Today, the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body, we express our concern to the act of the Education Department and Finance Department of Government of Meghalaya for non-release of fund of second installment of Government of India share to the State Education Mission Authority Meghalaya, which is a state implementation society who run the SSA program in the state, which result to non-payment of salary to 12,541 SSA teachers in the state for the month of January and February for financial year 2020-21. As per information from reliable sources, we came to learn that the Ministry of Education, Government of India, have transferred the fund of second installment of Government of India share to the state of Meghalaya before 31st March this year. But what makes the association surprised till today, this fund is still lying with the State Finance Department. Even from the State Project Director Office, Sir Ambrose Marak, on 31st March this year, he have issued a sanction order to all the 11 districts in the state with an instruction to pay the salary of the 12,541 SSA teachers for the month of January and February this year without any delay. But what makes the association surprised that till today, the district have not received the fund either from the CIMAM or from the state government. When we inquired on this from the State Project Director Office, we came to learn that the delay of the CIMAM to transfer the fund to all the 11 districts is due to the fact that the fund is still lying with the State Finance Department. Therefore, we from the association, we condemn this act of the Education Department and also the Finance Department, and at the same time, we demand from the state government that the fund should be released within this week. If the government failed to do so, we from the association, we may resort to a democratic movement as a sign of protest against the abandonment of the state government.
The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Committee on Empowerment of Women visited Jowai and held a meeting with line departments of the district in the Conference Hall, Divisional Soil and Water Conservation, Jowai. The committee chairperson, Dr. Amprin Lingdo, along with the member Shri H.M. Shangpliang, discussed with line departments, in particular with the District Police Executive Force and the social welfare, on the alarming rise of murder and rape cases in the district. The committee also discussed and evaluated the issues related to POCSO, crime against women, commercial sex workers, child abuse. Schemes and projects meant for women and children were also discussed. Briefing the media persons, the chairperson of the committee, Dr. Amprin Lingdo, highlighted the dangers of escalating HIV/AIDS through commercial sex workers, the increasing number of drug users in the district, and maternal and infant mortality rates due to early pregnancy, and called for mechanisms to check these dangers in the society by concerned departments, NGOs, and welfare organizations. The committee also expressed its concern about the linking of Aadhaar with ration cards, which will deprive the deserving beneficiaries of the benefit. Deputy Commissioner Shri Garrett L&S Dykes, Superintendent of Police Shri Bikram Marak, Block Development Officers from Amlaram, Thad Lasken and Lasken officials from the District Administration, Health Department, Social Welfare were also present in the meeting.
Kami benda kalau koi ke situation ba kalau kata bu wat yang itu kiba armet but kiba long commission but lada ke early detection lada kata ke jing late test mar sentip la armet kandai ke wei ke la ba kaban yada ya ke jing por jong ke HIV/AIDS na ke commission itu dong kila pun ki medical facilities ki medical treatments ki bala ban yarap yang ini kinombang HIV/AIDS ba kin im kabakam jalan mereka ni kum ka community ba ka society rengkat ba ka jing tekor jong state government ngim shim kya yang kini ka jingnong jingman ka nangkil pat nang bi usnem kan poi yang kinong song jong kala jela berkawai ka jingma di kamdei kata kaban ong bangkem ne banung kem yelu rei hato lada ki kenthe hilong ki victims jong ka HIV/AIDS ka sarkar kala biang ne em ha kaliang banteng pat tengkhia ne ban ai jingerap ikini patients ni don kam mangimpen baki rights ka hok jong ki kenthe nom tengdo Ngiyong yang kita ki female sex workers dan ki commercial sex workers. Ngimpen ren yenu shimen. Ndrei kami kedai kekam kaba bang biang bangin shimti. Bang biang bangin drei. Badla dadon ki issues ki badon ki bapenbor ki kenthei bakin yad akani ka profession don kamban mar. Don kamban shna bang thau ki policies ki banyara ki rehabilitation programs habayong leno ubala punya April ubala pun rumah katni kibon kita kilat pang rehabilitate ni don't come through on back rehabilitation program.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.